My mother's name is Blanche Bergmeyer, and my father was Ron Bergmeyer. One memory is as a child, I ran into her bedroom in the middle of the day, and she was at her bed praying. I didn't always understand the socioeconomic hardships that she had, but it's just how real Jesus was to her that, it wasn't just something you sang or read about. She is just the epitome of what a Christian wife and mother would be. So my father passed in 2015, and my mother stayed on at the Hamptons. For 9 years, she was very independent and had a cute little apartment and enjoyed the activities. She was going to bingo and meals and going out to our house with just a walker. One of the things I love about the Hamptons is that choice is right here. She didn't have to try to, set up appointments to go to physical therapy. They came to her.
When choice comes in, it helps our residents to stay in assisted living or to stay in our independent living, for that matter, without having to go to a skilled nursing facility.
And she had told Bonnie that I'm ready to go home to be with Jesus.
Whenever the Lord calls me, and that was a very comforting thing. And I knew that, and she lived that. She never was worried or cried or
distraught.
Fought to stay here. She knew this earth was not her own.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever I was speaking to Bonnie about Miss Blanche and hospice, I just reassured her that when we get to the chapter where hospice is more appropriate and where our team could help her, is we could continue to take care of her mom, but her mom had changed in what she needed. The victory for her was she was able, through our company, through the hospice side, she was able to transition to a new level of care that she needed at the time.
If they begin to improve in that care, then we can take the hospice option away. And then if we needed it back again, we can come back with hospice care. So that changed my whole picture of really what hospice is all about, because it does provide the attention that that person needs at that point in time in their life.
For us in this phase, as my mother grew older and weaker, choice was a godsend. I wish I would have crawled up in the chair and moved the oxygen tubes and just snuggled with her. And so it makes it harder now that she's gone. But I'm very grateful. I know exactly where she is. I'm just sorry for myself.
This is a ministry, and I think that it's not just me that feels that way. A lot of our staff feel that way.
It was all very gracious, and there was lots of support.
We love our partnership with Choice. Choice is able to offer the right care and the right plan for the right person, because not everybody is the same. It's not a cookie cutter situation that they're in. And so with that partnership with Choice, we get to give our residents that specialized care that they need.
It's what the Lord has called you to do, and those that work for Choice and see it as their calling and see it as their blessing and their service to their Lord through helping people with their profession. It's a win-win-win.